A very warm welcome, all of you. I hope you are doing well. My name is Nadeem. Welcome to Academia Social Work YouTube channel. In this video, I will give you a brief introduction or brief orientation about this exam, CUET PG exam. There is a paper code. Paper code is HUQP21. It's for social work. Okay. In social work, there are 8,420 students fill the form for social work. For they wanted to get admission in social work, but unfortunately, only 5,660 students appeared in the exam. This is the brief introduction and brief information about this year. The number of students appeared in this year. So now we have a participatory universities. As you know that HUQP 21 paper code, if you want to apply in social work and if you are using the paper code HUQP 21, there are 40 universities you can apply there directly. Okay, the namely there are AKS University Satna, and you can see on your screen if I will speak at each and every state or any university name, so it would be a very long video. So I am just briefing you in a brief. So this AKS Satna and Arunachal University and Barakatullah, Kota, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Himachal, Jammu, Jharkhand, Karnataka. Maybe we have a student from Karnataka University in this session, and then Kerala Institute of sorry, University of Rajasthan and University of South Bihar. And, and the next slides for the another university's name. There are Central University of Tamil Nadu. Okay, and now we have a Central University, Chanakya University, Dr. Hari Singh Gaur Vishwavidyalaya, Gujarat Vidyapeeth, Chhattisgarh, Srinagar, and Himalayan. The IGNTU Regional University, Central University, Manipur. The Rohit is from this university, and IGNOU Tribal Amarkantak, and the Mahatma Gandhi अंतर्राष्ट्रीय हिंदी विश्वविद्यालय वर्धा, Mahatma Gandhi Central University Bihar, Mewar University, Mizoram University, Nirvan University Jaipur, and Northeastern Hill University. Okay, and then we have a university like Pondicherry. Now we have a student from Pondicherry, Lakshmi. Lakshmi is from Pondicherry University. She will share her experience in Pondicherry University as a being a MSW student. And then RJ and IYD. We have a Gautam Swan. He is a student in the second year student in MSW, and he will share his experience also. And Rajiv Gandhi University, Bikaner, Sardar University of Police, and Sri Ram Swarup Memorial University, the Gandhi Gram Rural Institute, Tripura University, and we have a University of Delhi. And Mr. Mohammad Qasim is from here. He is from University of Delhi, and I also did my masters from University of Delhi. He and he both will share experience for the being a MSW student in this institute. And Vikram University, Ujjain, and the Salem and Vishwa Bharati University and Apex University, Rajasthan. So we have these universities, and this year I predict I said to my students that if they are belong to UR category, if they opt 53 questions, write 53 questions, so it means they have covered 70% of the exam. So it means they are secure. Being a UR candidate means to say unreserved candidate, a general candidate. If they are scoring say 70% or more than 70%, they are secured. They will get admission in the University of Delhi. And being a EWS candidate, 66%, and being a OBC 64, being SC 60, and being ST 56. Okay, and then I circulated a Google form in my Telegram channel. There are where 1.1k students has been connected with me, and more than 200 students respond on this Google form. They respond, and I draw the average marks of these students. They are you in UR category. Average was 154, AWS 153, OBC for the same, and SC category, because the number of the applicants were very less. Because of that, the average is 155 and the ST is 152. But I want to tell you what is the highest marks and what is the lowest marks in the category wise. So in my according to my Google form, as per the record on my Google form sheet, there are 250. You know that Pratik Roy Chaudhary, he topped this exam. He's the topper this year, and he secured 250 marks, and 103 is the lowest marks as per my Google form. Okay, this is the lowest mark for your category, and as per the EWS category, there are 204 and also 204 marks secured by EWS candidate, and 100 is the lowest, and 200 for the OBC, and the lowest is 41. And the SC category, 181 is the highest, and the 51 is the lowest. And ST category is a 170 is highest, and 103 is lowest. Okay, I am telling you about the on the basis of my Google that Google form I just circulated in my Telegram channel. More than 200 students respond on this Google form. Okay. So now we have a student. I'm telling that this. I'm waiting for the Dhirendra Shukla. He is from TIS. Maybe he will join us soon. And Mohammad Qasim, he is from Delhi University. And Lakshmi, she is from Pondicherry. And Tushar, he is from Lucknow University, Karnataka. From the Karnataka, there is a Mesaram. She is from Karnataka. And the Jamia, Bushra. I'm waiting for it. I think she haven't joined yet. So she might be joined. And the Rohit is from Manipur University. They will share their experience in this universities. Okay. So why I'm recording this video, why I'm conducting this session with the old students, because most of the students are not aware about this institute. They are not much aware about their academic session, field work, what was the cutoff, how many seats are there, is there hostel facilities available or not, and what was the placement, or what is the what is placement, and what was the average package of placement, are they providing rural camp, and the basic questions and the basic fundamental questions that every student has whenever he or she getting admission in any institute or any university. They might have some queries. So these queries I have been listed down on this, and I will ask the all student who has been connected today with me. And I wish they will respond correctly, and the student, those who will see this video after uploading on the YouTube channel, they will get benefit of it. Okay. So now we have some few questions. I will ask a few questions to you, and then this will be the end from my side. Okay. So I have given you the brief orientation about CUTPG MSW exam, and paper code is HEQP 21. As you know that there are 40 universities, and among the 40 universities, we have few students from the few institutes. If I want to ask you one thing, that if you know if you know any student who is pursuing his masters in any university that I have listed in, I have shown you before, there are 40 universities, you can share the contact number of those students, because I can connect with them and I can know about the we can better understand about this institute as well, or university as well. Okay. So now we can start from this session. We will start from this. Now I'm concluding this. Now I'm stopping to sharing this slide with you, because I want to talk to you one by one. Okay. So I'm stopping this. Okay. Now we can. I am doing this. I want to feel connected with you. I don't want to do any kind of communication that I am speaking only. So if you are comfortable, I want to ask you all of you that if you are comfortable, so you can unmute your video as well. It would be uh, good for me, because it would be a two-way interaction. If you are comfortable, it's not a force. I'm not forcing to anyone. If you are comfortable, your area or wherever you are sitting or wherever you are laying, so you can if you are comfortable, so you can unmute yourself in your video as video part of. So I want to start. I Yes, to start. Do you want to say something?
No, भैया.
Okay, okay. So I want to start from the RGNIYD. So Mr. Gautam, are you listening to me? Are you here? Gautam?
Hello, भैया.
Yes, hello. How
Uh,
are you?
if I get some time, because I'm outside, so there is little noise.
Okay, okay,
If I
okay,
get time,
okay,
so
okay, okay. So anyone, I want to start from Delhi University. I wanted to start, but I want to ask you, Kasim, lately. Okay. So firstly, I want to know about Pondicherry University. So Miss Lakshmi, are you comfortable? Can you tell me about I will ask you some few questions. It would be a very generic question for you. Are you comfortable? Can I start from you?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thank you so much. So Lakshmi, I want to know that what is the how your academic session is going on? What is your class mode? Means to say, as per day wise, do you have a classes from Monday to Saturday or Monday to Friday?
We have classes from Monday to Friday as a usual timetable. For the first semester, it will be like from 9:30 to 5:30,
Hmm.
and moving on to the second semester, it will be 9:30 to 4:30, and it varies. Like the maximum time limit is up to 5:30.
Okay, how's your
It
field work
varies
going?
on the days which you have field work.
How many days do you go for field work?
The first semester we had observation visits, and on the second semester, we are having weekly two times.
Two
Field work
days,
is of
2 days a
weekly two
week,
times.
2 days a week.
Yeah, 2 days a week.
Is there any limitation for the work field work hours? Like I want to tell you that if I tell you about the Delhi University, there's a mandatory that you must be field, you must be in field for the 6 hours. So is there any
Like
time
our
limit?
time schedule, the time schedule which we have been given a time schedule of we should stay there from 9 o'clock. I mean 9:30 to 5 o'clock till 5 o'clock.
Okay.
So that's the time schedule. If we work accordingly,
So are you are you placed in open community or in any or organization, NGO and all?
Most of us are placed in the communities and NGOs only. We will be assigned with special various NGOs. Our classes of 75, 72 students, and we have been split into group of three or two, and we have been assigned. And I'm currently in my second semester, and we have been assigned
Okay.
with a group of two or three, preferably. We will be assigned an NGO or a community health. I mean self-help groups or something like that.
Okay, okay, okay. So can you tell me how many seats are there in Pondicherry University?
Yeah, there are 75 seats for MSW
Seven,
program.
75 seats.
Yeah.
Okay, there are 75 seats in Pondicherry University. Okay, okay. Is there any hostel facilities?
Yeah, the university provides hostel facilities for both boys and girls.
Okay.
And new hostels are being constructed also, so there is no issue of hostel.
Hmm. So can you tell me the what is the fees for the hostel, the mess and the you have told me that you have two wings for one for
Uh,
boys and one for girls. So what is the
like
cost?
for girls, the semester fees is for girls is 2,000 rupees, the hostel fees,
Okay,
and also there will be additional fees for mess facility. It will be around 11K for a semester.
okay, for a semester.
Uh,
That's good. That's good. Okay.
Sorry.
11K for the semester for the 6 month.
Yeah,
Okay, okay,
yeah. A semester usually, I mean, it extends about 6 months or 4 months, depends on when the academic period starts.
okay,
So
okay,
mostly it will be 5 to 6 months.
okay, okay, okay. So do you have any any activity like a rural camp?
Yeah, we had a rural camp in our first semester. Like it was due
Is
to
it a
some
mandatory
constraints,
or a
it couldn't
voluntary?
be. No, it's a mandatory program. As a part of our curriculum, it's mandatory.
Okay, okay, okay. So can you tell me the most of the students are fear to get admission in the out of his or her comfort zone area that they want to know that is there any ragging and all because it's the serious issue for the students.
No, no, there is no. I can say that proudly and quite confidently. Our university is quite ragging free and it's very student friendly. There is no such a thing as ragging. Like our class has students ranging from every part of India, from north, northeast, south, east,
Mhm.
west, everywhere, and it's very friendly out here.
Okay, okay. So Lakshmi, I want to know very interesting question. That is the what was the last cutoff in your time?
Like for
Can you
the
tell me the category wise if you have remembered? It's not if you can tell.
uh, I'm not remembering exactly about the category wise, but for the
Tentative,
merit from the merit list,
is there any
uh,
tentative idea that if you scored being a
like from
you
the
are
merit list, the last person who got in from the merit list had a mark of about 165, and the
165
last person
being
who
sorry to interrupt, sorry to stop you. Being a unreserved candidate or being any social reservation?
I'm not sure about that. I think as far as I remember, it was an I mean a reserved
165.
category.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, it was
okay.
in a reserved category, and regarding this, there was also sport admission, and also
Uh-huh.
about that, we had the last person who got in had a mark of about 156, and
156.
if I'm remembering correct, that person was from the OBC category.
Okay, okay, okay. So can you tell me, can you give me any guess that if anyone belongs to your category, that he will get admission if he or she secure that much a score?
Okay.
Any tentative, I'm
Okay.
not
I
asking
can.
you the exact figure. I'm just you can give the tentative idea so that students can understand that if they are falling in this university or not.
Mm, like about like maybe one near to something 190. Like I am from the underserved category. I'm from general category, and my
Okay.
mark was about 216 or 218 something.
So why didn't
I
you
was in the
apply for
first
the Delhi
list, so
University?
no, I didn't got in the Delhi University.
Okay, okay,
I applied, but I didn't got in.
okay.
And my mock, so I got in the first list of Pondicherry University,
That's good.
and I think about 180. And 180 is a good mark. I mean, 180 is an
Okay,
okay mark.
okay,
It's safe
oh,
zone.
okay, got it, got it. Being a UR candidate, being a unreserved candidate, if someone is scoring 180 or 180 plus, he or she has a chance to get admission in Pondicherry University.
Yeah, like it was a case of last year. I don't know about this year.
Okay, okay. Being a OBC or EWS or SCST, if this, I want to ask the tentative idea. Can you give me the student will get beneficial?
Like as I already mentioned, last year it was 156 for the last OBC candidate who got in
OBC.
through
Okay,
spot admission.
okay, okay, okay.
Uh,
Okay, okay, no issues. Okay, I want to know the how what is your placement? How is your placements going? Matlab means to say this is there 100% placement or 75% placement, and the all student got placed whenever they finish their masters in from Pondicherry University.
we have a placement cell, but we have no assurance of 100% placement.
Hmm.
About 5 to 6 of our students get placed, and the rest of them, I mean, 5 to 6 through campus placement, they get placed, and the rest of them are being connected to other NGOs. Like they're getting connections through the teachers, and
Okay.
they somehow land up somewhere. It's
Uh,
not exactly through the campus placement that they get a job.
so these efforts made by the university or these efforts the students personally they do personally.
I would say it's both the effort of the department and the student. I would say mostly the students. I would
Efforts.
like to see that.
Okay, okay, okay. So the matlab their placement cell works for the placement for the student, but there's almost you can say there's only 10 to 15% student placed by the department.
Yeah, the thing is that after Corona, like the placement rates are, it's not as stable as it has been earlier.
Yeah, yeah, got right. You're right. So can you tell me what is the average package of the placement? If I telling about Delhi University, there's a 4 to 6 lakh. There's a average package from Delhi University. If anyone is pursuing a master from University of Delhi, when he finishes his master's degree, his or her, then he will get 4 to 5, 6. It's the average package. The last highest package was 13 lakh from the University of Delhi. So can you tell me what is the average
I'm
package
sorry,
of like what they got matlab means to say
I am not
20k per
sure so
month
sure about the
25k per
average.
month matlab means to say your senior has told you or
Like
any other.
like most of them has been placed in TCS and Federal Bank and institutions like that. So not. I mean, I don't remember the average package. We have discussed that, but I couldn't recall. Like I think
Okay,
I
okay,
have to check up on that. I'm
okay,
sorry.
okay, 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 you can tell me now, you can tell me after this session if
Yeah,
you
sure.
uh,
I will
so can
text
you
you.
tell me the fee structure just I'm just finishing my questions to you. Can you tell me the fee structure, what is the fees for the hostel or for the
Like in
you
our
have told me about
semester,
the hostel but for the college tuition fee.
yeah, for the odd semester it is around 11,300 something, and for the even semesters it is 3,200.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. So is there any library for you? Special library, the library facilities there?
Yeah, we have a library. We have a library and a reading room, which works from morning 8 o'clock till 3 o'clock.
So
And the library works like morning 8 to till 5:36.
okay, okay. So Lakshmi, can you tell me the what is your matlab, how's your life going on if you get if I get admission in University of Pondicherry? So I will be I able to live like a city life or a rural life? Which is where is placed? Is it in central in urban area or a rural area? Off campus.
It's like I wouldn't say it's completely an urban area, but it's not a rural area anyhow. Like
Okay,
we have the campus life is very great here. It's either it's the people or the campus programs and events and everything. It's a joyful mood out here always,
okay,
and we have a beach out right in front of our university, so it's always a chill hill mood.
that's good.
And
Mm.
also
And
the things. I mean, the shops and everything is readily available out here.
mhm.
We have a shop and inside the university, and the university is right now opening a lot of shops inside, like the canteens for night time, they are offering inside the university. So I would say like it's a great place.
Okay, okay, thank you. So can you tell me the what is the attendance criteria you have? Like if I tell you about the University of Delhi, that 75% attendance is mandatory. They will give you admit card after the your
Yeah,
quarter.
that's
So is
an
there any criteria for that?
yeah, we have a strict attendance policy, like 70% is mandatory. And if we are not reaching that level, it's quite hard to, I mean, attend our exams, and it's quite strict here. The attendance policy is quite strict here,
Mm-hmm.
as far as our department is concerned.
Yeah, right. So I want to know the one thing is the that's a travel facility. How the travel facilities are there? Like if any individual can have this his or her personal vehicle, or they have to use the public vehicle for the mo for the mobilization.
So, are you talking about inside the university, right?
Outside, if someone is like going for the field work, they have the premise, they have the space for the personal vehicle, or they have to use the public transport.
If you have a personal bike, you can use it. Like
So there's a
in our
place for.
university, almost everyone has a personal vehicle,
So most
and
of
if
the
you not don't have it, also it's perfectly fine. We always have buses out here. I
Mm,
mean, to the main Pondicherry
mm.
place, we have always buses, and it's quite frequent out here. And we
Okay.
have buses back to the university also,
Mm.
and most of us use public transport also.
Thank you so much, Lakshmi. Thank you so much. Is there anything you want to tell us which I have not asked you?
No, nothing much. Like Pondicherry University is a great place. Like the campus is really cool out here. I'm not so sure about the academic space it provides, but the campus is always cool, and that's it.
Okay, okay. That's good. That's good. Yeah.
Uh, yeah,
Yes,
thank
yes,
you.
yes. Do you want to say something?
No, no, I was asking whether I should stay in the meet or share. Can I leave?
It's up to you. If you want to leave, so you can. It's up
Yeah,
to.
okay.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for being here. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lakshmi.
Yeah,
Now,
sure.
now, Gautam, are you there? Are you here? So,
Yes, I'm here.
yes, Gautam. So,
Mm.
can you tell
Good
me?
evening, everyone.
Good evening. Good evening.
Mm.
So, Gautam, can you tell me about your academic sessions? How's your classes are going
Yeah,
on?
sure, sure, sure. Firstly, I'd like to tell that the university name is Rajiv Gandhi National Institute of Youth and Development. This institution is mainly dedicated to the youth and development, community development. In MSW, this university provides a specialization in youth and community development. This university is the university of national importance, which comes under the Ministry of Youth and Sports department. So basically, being a national importance university, it provides vast opportunities, like so many opportunities, like presenting yourself into a youth expo outside India. Like this kind of activities are also there. So and this is something brief detail about this university. After, if we come to the department, MSW department, there are so many department, different department, but MSW department is very unique here because of its kind of specialization of youth and community development. Only this university provides this specialization in all over the I guess all over Asia. In India, there is no any such university. In Asia, this is also that kind of university which is working on this particular specialization.
Hmm.
So
So,
MSW department is MSW department is very dedicated department, like very strict, and placement is also good. Now, approx half of the seniors have been placed. Actually,
good.
almost they have placed in Rajasthan Jivikas region, and so many different kind of NGOs and uh, corporate sectors. So almost placement is also good, and this campus is also very good.
Hmm.
Um Campus is very beautiful. Little strict, like you can't go outside after 12. You can't go outside
After
of
12
your
p.m.
hostel. Yes, after 12 right night you can't go outside your hostel,
So what
and after
where you will
10
go
you
after
can't
12?
go outside the. Yes, after means in night you can't go anywhere unless it is a emergency situation.
Okay,
You
okay.
can't go.
Hmm.
Even you can't go outside your hostel to visit campus after 10. After 10 you can't go outside the main gate.
So,
Otherwise till 12 you can visit inside the campus. Like this is our campus. You can see very
this is a
beautiful.
very
This is the
beautiful
entrance.
campus. Yes.
Yeah,
You
actually very
sent me the
beautiful campus.
yeah, yeah, of course, of course. You send me the video. I saw that it's a very beautiful campus.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So almost actually this is a new university. It is now uh, developing by the time,
Hmm.
and everything is good. And this department is really very strict about academics, about
Hmm.
attendance.
So how many class?
Mm.
How many days you have classes?
We have three in a week, 3 days class,
In
2 day field work, Saturday, Sunday off.
okay, Saturday, Sunday off. No field work, no classes.
No, no.
Okay, okay, okay. So
Mm.
how many hours you spend on field work being a professional, being a social worker,
It all depends. Like I'm from Bihar.
trainee of
So
work?
when I came here, I my supervisor told me to work with migrants. Those are coming from the North India.
Yeah.
So I'm working. I'm currently working in a agency named GSET Migrant Service,
Okay.
uh, and in Gumadipundi, like from here. Now currently I'm in Sri Perumbudur,
Yeah.
Chennai.
Yeah.
So
Serimbarapur.
from Sri Perumbudur, I
Hmm.
go around some days I go to 50 kilometers. No, 100 kilometer far for my field work. Gumadipundi, which is totally filled by the Bihar UP people, and I
Okay.
work for them.
So
So
what?
so
It's very interesting to know. Gautam, can you tell me about what do you do with them? How to deal with them?
uh,
What do you
I
educate
I I
them?
go two students only assigned for that particular work,
Hmm.
because this is very far, and they asked me whether you want to do work with them or not. So I said no, actually I came from North India to south to understand the diversity.
Hmm.
So I really want to work for them, so I decided to go. I go out in morning around 5 or 6, and I reach there by uh, 12 or 1.
That's
Then I spend time with the, like, how this GSET migrant service, they have some tuition centers
okay.
to teach the children of the migrants, and some
Okay.
migrants are also there. I went there for 2 days now, uh, but we have some plan to work with them, and in next fieldwork action plan we have planned to interact with those migrants. Those are coming from UP, Bihar, and Jharkhand. So
That sounds
that
interesting.
Gumadipundi area in Chennai is totally dedicated to special for those migrants.
Okay.
So I go, I talk to them in Bhojpuri, like कैसन बानी कहाँ बानी तो. So so it is really very interesting and fruitful. Like I'm seeing how they are working, how
Hmm.
what is the pathetic condition they are living in.
Hmm.
So so this is really good experience for me, and sometimes I think this is that was a good decision I chose
Yeah, yeah.
to take
It
admission
would
here.
give you an extra edge for it. Can you, Gautam, can you tell me the how many seats are there?
Actually there is 40 seats,
Okay, only 40 seats.
only 40 seats.
Okay, okay, okay. So can you tell me,
And
yes, can you tell
those
me
who will
what,
get at get admission, they will allotted to hostels are there.
okay,
Good
okay,
hostels are there, very good facilities in hostel.
okay,
Hostel is very good,
okay,
facilities are very good, I will say.
okay.
Fees
So,
structure is like uh, it all depends upon your how much you food consuming. If you
okay.
take if you can take your mess cut. SMMC, it's still student member mess committee.
Mm-hmm.
So all students used to run that SMMC particularly.
Good, good.
So so it all depends upon that, but approximately 13,000 or 40,000 rupees will be for 6 months for your food only. And
Oh,
for your tuition fee, you will tuition fee and hostel fee, it is around approx 20 to 26,000 around. That's all. Not very much.
for a
That
year,
minimal.
for a year,
Mm.
for a year, for a semester,
For a year. Yes. For a year.
for a year. Okay, okay, okay.
Hmm.
So can you tell me,
I
Gautam,
actually
can you
don't.
tell me,
Hmm.
do you have remember the what was the cutoff for the admission? If anyone wants to get admission in
See,
RGNI IIT?
I had 193 marks previously, and
Yes,
I got admission in first cutoff in general.
yes, of course.
So probably till 150, if someone is scoring 150, they can get admission easily. But now it seems like the cutoff will increase because so many people came to know about this university, because this university was what we call underrated university.
Mm-hmm.
Very of them did not know about this university, but
Mm.
now I think the cutoff will increase
Okay, okay, okay.
because campus placement is also good.
So,
They have a personal placement cell,
so this time the
also
exam.
regional center.
Mm-hmm, yes. So, Gautam, I'm stopping to you. I want to ask, I
Mhm.
want to tell you one thing. That's the last year the exam was you got 193 out of 400, but this time the exam
Yes.
was for the 300 marks. So, if any
Mhm.
candidate who is securing like 50%, 57% means to say 150 around. Okay, 150
Mhm.
around. Being
Mhm.
an unreserved candidate, if someone is
Mhm.
scoring 150 or below 150, so he or she will get admission in RGNI.
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
likely,
So
likely they will get
it
admission.
is for your candidate. If I asking you about the ST, SC, and OBC, DWS, so what would be the difference from the you are getting?
I think difference of marks is around 50 marks, 50 to
15,
60 marks. If you have
50 to
50,
60,
50.
50
Yes,
for the ST
yes.
candidate.
One, yes, 120, 130, you can take
Okay, okay,
admission.
okay, okay. So those students who will watch this video, or they have secured 130, 120, or 120 plus being a reserve candidate, so they have a chance to get admission. They can go there. Yeah.
Yeah, almost chance is there.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So I want to
Mm.
ask you one more thing. You have told me about the placements. So in which sectors the most of the students placed?
See, the major, actually, number of people is not very much.
Okay. There's
So
only 40
30,
students. Mm-hmm.
40 students, the maximum seat is 40. And seniors are 34,
Mm.
and we are 37 in numbers. This is the strength currently of MSW department of RGN IID.
Okay. Okay.
So
So
so any of the organization came for placement, they select almost then half of the selection is almost done if
mm-hmm.
anyone comes, because
Okay.
Rajasthan Jivika, just 2 or 3 days before Rajasthan Jivika was there, and
Mm.
around 10 people got selected.
That's
They
great.
conducted examination
Congratulations to
first,
them.
written test.
Mm-hmm. They conduct for
Rajivika
consider. Yes, yes, yes.
Rajivika conducted a written test, and
Mm-hmm.
in that written test, after written test, almost 10 people are selected from
Mm-hmm.
RG and IYD.
That's
Before Rajivika, Srijan, 6 or 7 people were selected. Almost 20 students are already been placed
means to
somewhere,
say 50%
and
has
so
been
many,
placed.
almost 20% has been placed,
Okay, okay.
and so many of them are like they do not want to do job. They want to
So
pursue
for
their
higher
higher
studies.
study.
Yes, yes,
Uh,
yes. Yes, yes.
so many students are also like that. So
Got it, got it. So, Gautam,
so placement
can you tell me
almost.
the other students are also waiting for the response? So I want to know the review of a view of Lucknow University and Karnataka and this also. So I want to ask you the briefly the what would be the average package of the placement? The most of the students ask me the what would they get in hand the salary. The obvious question they ask to me. So I want to know from you.
Almost 30 to 40,000. It will
Okay,
start from 30 to 40,000.
okay, okay,
Rajivka is providing 35,000 something, and the TADA and whatever.
okay,
Total, if we count total, then around 42,000.
okay,
So around 30 to 40,000 will be the
okay.
average package is there.
ठीक, ठीक. I want to know the one thing, the last thing is very important for the students, for the all students and for the all parents, for the community and everyone. Is it ragging free institute or there's a ragging and all kind of?
No, no, absolutely. Very good campus. Very good campus. Like
Mm.
nothing is like that. Ragging, very disciplined. And the very important thing, very disciplined.
Okay, okay.
Discipline is there. You, I told you earlier.
Yes, yes, he told
Even
me.
in class, you can't go late. You
Yes, yes.
can't go late. If you go if class is from 10, you need to be there at 10. If you go 10:05, you will be scolded or anything.
Yes, yes, I got it.
So
Got it.
so this is very disciplined.
Hmm. Thank you so
Mm.
much, Gautam, for the sharing your all information. Such a beautiful information you have shared for all the old students who will get
Mhm.
benefited. And
Mm.
I want to ask the Tushar. He is from Lucknow University. Tushar, can you hear me?
Hello, भैया.
Hello, how are you, Tushar?
I am fine, भैया. Excuse me.
Okay,
Pardon. I need to ask some like a little personal question to
yes, yes,
Gautam.
yes.
Do you know like Ashutosh Dhami and others are your seniors like that? Like, do you know any of them?
Ashutosh Dhami
जी.
from the MSW department.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. Or
Ashutosh.
others from Bihar. Okay, just give a thought and let me know if you are like in message in text.
I will connect you in the WhatsApp group. Dhirendra, there is a WhatsApp group. The students are
No, no.
these students are
I
Sure,
think
sure.
they may be super seniors, but now
maybe.
no one is like that.
Mm.
Okay.
You can ask them to the batch, which batch they belong.
Any other questions from anyone's, then I can answer.
If anyone wants to ask about RGNFID from Gautam, so he will answer for sure. Qasim, do you have any question for the Gautam? Maysaram,
No.
Maysaram, you are from, are you here? Maysaram, you are from
Yes.
University of Kerala. So do you have any question from to Gautam sir?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
So,
thank you.
Tushar, so can you tell me about your classes days? How your classes are going on? How do you
भैया,
manage?
classes are from Monday to Saturday, and there are 4 classes and 2 days field work.
Okay, okay, okay. So for the field works, you have 2 days.
Yes,
Okay,
for semester and second semester, Thursday and Friday, or for third and fourth semester, Monday and Tuesday.
okay, okay, okay. So can you tell me the how many seats are there?
भैया, there are around 108 seats, but
100.
seats are divided into two parts: regular and self finance.
Okay, okay. What is
uh,
Sir Finance?
हाँ भैया, लाइक जैसे
What is it?
आप
Can you tell
रेगुलर
me?
में बात.
Please, please
हाँ, श्योर.
carry on.
अगर आप रेगुलर की बात करेंगे तो रेगुलर में 44 सीट्स हैं,
Okay,
मतलब, और सेल्फ फाइनेंस में 66 सीट्स हैं.
okay,
44 सीट्स मतलब ये थोड़ा वेरी होता रहता है कि मे बी 44 से 50 तक हो जाए. 44 सीट्स का वहाँ पे जो आपको पेमेंट करना होगा, या मतलब फीस स्ट्रक्चर जो होगा वो आपका होगा 7 से 8,000 के बीच में. पर
per
आपको सेल्फ फाइनेंस की फीस जो होगी वो
sorry to
ज़्यादा देनी पड़ेगी.
sorry to stop you. Per semester or per year fees you have told
पर सेमेस्टर.
per semester 7 to 8K 7 से 8 हजार.
हाँ.
Okay, okay,
हाँ, क्योंकि मैंने 7,870 फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में पे करी थी,
okay,
एंड सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में 7,120. और आपकी जब सेल्फ फाइनेंस की फीस की बात करेंगे, ये थोड़ी ज़्यादा होती है, 30K के अराउंड होती है.
okay.
पर सेमेस्टर की होती है 30K. तो ये होता है थोड़ा. बाकी क्लासेस का अगर सिनेरियो देखा जाएगा तो रेगुलर की अलग क्लासेस चलती हैं, सेल्फ फाइनेंस की क्लासेस अलग चलती हैं, क्योंकि ये इसके टीचर्स थोड़े अलग अपॉइंट होते हैं. पर ऐसा यहाँ पे मैंने अगर पर्सनल मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन ये है कि अगर मान लीजिए कभी टीचर कोई और मीटिंग्स या कॉल्स के लिए एब्सेंट होता है तो फिर कंबाइंड क्लासेस भी चल जाती हैं रेगुलर और सेल्फ फाइनेंस की. प्लेसमेंट फील्ड वर्क पूरा सेम होता है. आपको बच्चों को कतई अलग अलग फील नहीं होगा, रेगुलर सबके बच्चे एक ही साथ ही फील करते हैं वहाँ पे. पर हाँ, यहाँ पे 108 सीट्स हैं. और अभी करेंटली की बात करी जाए
Hmm.
तो अराउंड 110 to 120 बच्चे जो हैं इनरोल हुए हैं.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much, Tushar. Can you tell me is there hostel facility?
हाँ भैया, ये हॉस्टल फैसिलिटी है. मैं खुद अभी हॉस्टल में ही हूँ. ये
Okay,
मेरा रूम है. इसमें 2 लोग होते हैं, 2 लोग मेरा रूममेट भी है साथ में.
okay,
और हॉस्टल की अगर बात करी जाएगी तो हॉस्टल गर्ल्स भी है, बॉयज़ भी है. देयर आर अराउंड 6 बॉयज़ हॉस्टल एंड 4 to 5 गर्ल्स हॉस्टल. तो हॉस्टल्स आर गुड. अगर आप हॉस्टल के अगर अंदर की बात करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आपको वॉशिंग मशीन भी दिया जाता है, और ठंड में गीजर भी है, और आपके साफ सफाई के लिए जो मतलब भैया लोग आते हैं वो आपका पूरा रूम वूम साफ करेंगे, तो आपको उसकी तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Can you tell me the
अगर आप
charges? Charges, what are the charges for the hostel, for the room and for the mess?
हाँ भैया, अगर हम लोग रूम का बात करेंगे तो आपका पर ईयर आपको पे करना पड़ेगा 7,000 समथिंग, जिसमें आपके डिपॉजिट मनी भी होगा अराउंड 2,000, जो आपको जब आप हॉस्टल छोड़ेंगे तो आपको वापस मिल जाएगा। और आपकी मेस की चार्जेस की बात करी जाएगी तो
हम्म
6 मंथ्स का चार्ज होता है पहले, तो वो
हम्म
होता है 21,000 समथिंग। आफ्टर 6 मंथ्स आपको जो है वो अराउंड 60,000, 16,000 या 17,000 के बीच में आपको पे करना होगा।
ग्रेट। इट्स अ वेरी नॉमिनल फीस आई थिंक। हाँ।
अगर आप मतलब डे बेसिस पे काउंट करेंगे तो लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट का 40 रुपीज़, लंच का 40 रुपीज़ एंड इवनिंग का डिनर का 40 रुपीज़।
हाँ, that's great. So,
हम्म।
Tushar, can you tell me, is there placement facility are there?
हाँ भैया, प्लेसमेंट है। अगर आप लास्ट ईयर की बात करेंगे तो हमारे रिक्रूटर्स में काका आया था, चाइल्ड अगेंस्ट चाइल्ड अब्यूज,
Okay.
राजीव का भी आया था, UPRLM आया था, और HCL फाउंडेशन। और उनका एवरेज अगर प्लेसमेंट की जो बात करी जाएगी तो वो 4 लाख to 5 लाख के बीच में लाई कर जाता है।
Hmm.
और अभी हमारे यहाँ प्लेसमेंट का ही सिनेरियो चल रहा है, तो हमारे जो सीनियर्स हैं वो HCL फाउंडेशन में प्लेसमेंट हुआ है उनका।
Okay.
और काका में भी उनका प्लेसमेंट हुआ है, बल्कि काका इज़ अ गर्ल्स ओरिएंटेड ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, तो उन्होंने गर्ल्स को काफ़ी उन्होंने प्रायोरिटी देके प्लेस करा है
That sounds
यहाँ से।
that sounds good. Can you tell me the last question to you, Tushar? Can you tell me what was the cutoff to get admission in Lucknow University?
हाँ भैया, अगर कट ऑफ की बात करी जाए तो आप हाईएस्ट मार्किंग देखेंगे, जो मेरे टाइम की थी 144 था
Okay.
200 मार्क्स में। बेसिकली ऐसा लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी का पेपर अलग कंडक्ट होता है, वो
But this time,
CUET के अंदर नहीं आता।
but this
नो
time,
नो नो नो
this time also in I think, is it under HEQP 21 or not?
नो नो।
Not only.
बेस
Okay. Okay. Okay.
हाँ, बेसिकली इट इज़ अ स्टेट यूनिवर्सिटी, तो इसका इंडिपेंडेंट पेपर है।
Okay.
इसका फॉर्म ओपन हो गया है, आई थिंक लास्ट डेट मई है, 31 मई है या फिर फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून है।
Hmm.
तो वो आपको फिलअप करना पड़ेगा, फिर उसका एंट्रेंस एग्जाम कंडक्ट होगा। एग्जाम 200 मार्क्स का होगा, नो निगेटिव मार्किंग।
Hmm.
आपका बिल्कुल सिंपल एग्जाम होगा। और अगर एग्जाम के सिलेबस की बात करी जाएगी, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो लखनऊ यूनिवर्सिटी का पेपर है वो डिस्क्लोज नहीं करा जाता है, आप पेपर देंगे तुरंत ही सबमिट कर लिया जाएगा।
Okay. Okay. Okay.
तो पेपर को सिलेबस की बात करी जाए तो बिल्कुल CUET की तरह ही सिलेबस था, ज़्यादा कुछ डिफर नहीं था।
Hmm.
हाँ, बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पूछे गए थे, और आपको थोड़ा पॉलिटिकल साइंस का थोड़ा वेटेज था उसमें ज़्यादा,
Hmm.
बस यही सब चीज़ें थी।
Okay. Okay.
और अब कट ऑफ की मैं बात करता हूँ भैया, तो मैं जनरल की लास्ट ईयर कट ऑफ की बात करता हूँ तो 100 तक गया था, मतलब तो 100 में हो गया था, रेगुलर में हो गया था, मैं रेगुलर का बता रहा हूँ भैया।
Hmm.
100,
ठीक।
ठीक है। और SC की बात करी जाएगी तो 82,
Okay.
OBC की बात की जाएगी तो 92 लास्ट।
Okay. 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 That's good.
हम्म।
Thank you so much for this information, Tushar. So, can you tell
जी
me,
भैया।
can you share me the link for the filling the form for Lucknow University?
श्योर भैया,
हाँ,
इट इज अवेलेबल ऑन द पोर्टल एंड आल्सो आई विल शेयर इन द ग्रुप या
हाँ,
पर्सनली।
हाँ, हाँ. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Tushar. So, Dhirendra, are you here? Thank you so much, Tushar, for connecting with us.
Yeah,
Tushar was connected with me
I'm here.
since last year. Am I right, Tushar?
जी भैया, लास्ट ईयर आई मिस्ड बाय जस्ट 11 मार्क्स इन
Yes,
दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी।
I
अदर
know, I
दैट
know.
आई, या इस दिस ईयर भी आई फिल फॉर CUET PG एंड आई स्कोर 176 आउट ऑफ 300।
That's
सो लेट्स सी
176.
व्हाट हैपेंस।
It's
यस।
a good, it's a good score. It's a good score, Tushar. 176 is a good score.
Even I also appear for net, so but uh, unluckily, unfortunately,
Don't
I
worry,
missed by 10.
don't worry. It will be clear. Thank you so much, Tushar. Yes, Dhirendra, are you here? Are you listening to me?
Yeah, sure.
Please, can
Hello,
you?
everyone.
Hmm, yes,
Am I
can you?
audible?
Yes, you are audible. I want to
Okay,
tell you the
so
all of the students that he's Dhirendra. He's from his started Institute of Social Sciences, Mumbai. So he will share some experience of his. So Dhirendra,
okay,
you can tell us how his classes
okay,
are going on, the field work and the seats and the hostel facilities and placement. These are the fundamental basic concerns I wanted to ask.
yeah. Okay, thank you, Nadeem. So, as he introduced me, Dhirendra. So, I'm currently like the final year student. Like everything has been done now. I'm wrapping up this like my whole test journey, and fortunately, I got placed. So before that, I'll start from the beginning. So I did my bachelor's in BTech. Uh, I switched to MSW, like specialized in children and families. The reason was like I have been running an organization since when I was 15 years of age.
Oh, that's
So
great.
by that passion, I followed. Yeah, I followed that, and then I landed up in TISS. Although the preparation was very hectic, and I was the very first person to get into the this MSW field. So yeah, I gave the test net, and I opted for like children and families. Also, I like got qualified by rural development test Tuljapur campus,
Hmm.
but I chose this one. So TIS have basically 4 campuses. One is TIS Mumbai, another one is in Tuljapur, third one is in Hyderabad, and fourth one is in Guwahati. Every individual campus have their own unique trades and courses specifically. TIS Mumbai offers around 50 courses. Now it is under CUET PG course, and 2 of its courses from this time onwards will go into the CAT course, which is one of their premier course, which is HRM and ODCL.
Hmm.
So they will be in coming like next time onwards, like after this CUET, they will be under CAT because they will be shifting as per the like the new education policy and the net thing.
Yeah.
So in specifically in social work, so School of Social Work basically have 9 different courses. Within MSW, there are 9 specialization in tests. So one will be children and families, CODP, community
So
organization
how's your
development practices.
Yes, Dhiren, thank you so much for the sharing this such information. How's your field work and classes are going on? Like how many days you have classes and how many days you have to spend for the field work?
Okay, I'm coming to that only. So like 9 different, so all the courses have a similar kind of patterns, but there is a difference in the second year and first year fieldwork block. So specifically in CF, we like all the MSW students in first year will be in fieldwork for 2 days, like Monday and Tuesday. They will be placed across the Mumbai for their fieldworks, where they have to be in the field for 2 days, and they have to write their reports and submit to the guide, and they will be the gradual meetings in the evening. Along with that, research work will be keep on going. After first year, there will be different kind of block field work. We call it block field work.
Block
So it will be
placement.
like 15 days visit. Some center will have 15 days visit to some rural areas or anywhere across India. So there will be placement allotments on the basis of that. So group will be moving towards across India. Now for these fields, we have to afford our own things. If organization offer the stay or food, that is a secondary thing. Otherwise, we consider that we have to pay our travels and everything. Most of the time, the organization offer the stay
Yeah.
or sometimes
Stipend.
food also. If we are in like rural areas, then food and stay will be managed by the organization, but traveling we have to take care of it. And then in second year, some of them have a like proper, so sorry, this was the rural practicum for 15 days, and in the second year we have a block placement, which will be for some courses it will be around like for 1 month whole block work that will be across India. For us, it was like in second year Monday Tuesday field work for up to like December, and in January we have just 1 month whole block fieldwork in the same organization where we were trying to understand about the organization, and then we have to implement things, and we have to write an article on that fieldwork experience.
Okay.
So this is the whole 2 year journey. By that time, every semester we have our research ka like upgrade remarks and all the calculations on the basis of that. So in the topic finalization, and then tool presentation, and then before that proposal will be there, and then finally tool presentation proposal will be there, and then data collection, and after that analysis, and that will keep on gradually be on the process by this 2 year of journey. Our placement starts in the month of November, December. In my class, almost like 90% of them are got placed. So previous intake was around 23 people.
Okay.
And TIS have this unique facility of deferment. So what is deferment? Suppose I took admission in first semester,
Okay.
and due to some reasons I won't be able to continue for this coming semester or this year. So you have a gradual time that you can join the same semester with the next batch.
Oh, that's good. That's
So
good. This
yeah,
facility is
so
very good.
that is called deferment in TIFF. So that is one of the unique thing. Apart from that, so technically, and sometime the our batch was having the exchange program students. So total 19 students of Myanmar. Actually, they were the students in TIFF, but officially they were the government officials of Myanmar who came to our Department of Social Work. 19 of them were into different courses. So in my class, there were 6 Myanmar government officials studying with us throughout the 2 years. So they were also with us in field work and rural grounds and everywhere. So
That's
we also
interesting.
accept the exchange. Yeah. And one of the course named CODP, they have one exchange program for the Chicago University. So in that particular course, like 4 people every year, they will go for 1 month exchange program to Chicago University.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Apart from this, I think so in coming years, some of the other centers will be start working on the exchange programs. Most probably CF will also start their programs, but they are working on it, I believe. And then the every like these things happen, and then final placements will happen. Placements, like as I told you, 90% of our classmates already placed. So the average pack. Now the unique thing about this MSW whole 9 courses are there is a common placement and there is a central placement. So common placement for the School of Social Work for 9 courses will bring the companies, and all the 9 courses can sit for the particular placement because
Okay.
the
It's a
the over
common
yeah,
placement.
yeah. And so like whether you are from Dalit and tribal studies or you are from criminology and justice, if you have a potential, if you are interested in that field and you have worked in that field, you can go for the placement process, and if you got selected, you'll get the job. And apart from this, for all 52 courses that are happening across the campus, apart from ODCL and HRM, for 50 courses, they have a central placement committee. So all the companies, sometime what happens, so there is a dual benefit, like sometimes center placement committee bring the thing, but the competition become little, at a like risk side, because the whole campus will be sitting in the placement.
Yeah, right, right.
But there is also like the lot of opportunities are there.
Yes, of course, of course.
So
So
yeah,
now you have
so
two
in
chances. Then like you may have been selected in the common, and you may have specific in your specific
no, but
courses.
but the thing is that
Is there any
if you have
one student, one placement policy? If you
no,
have been
no, so the
selected
thing
for
is
the
that
one, so you cannot sit for
no,
another one.
in the School of Social Work Placement Committee, if you'll get 3 strikeout rounded. Suppose you got selected in one, you don't want to get in, you just use one strikeout.
Hmm.
Another one you can use another, but in final you have to take out. Otherwise, you will be barred out of the all the placements. Now you have CDFC for that, the Central Placement Committee. In CDFC, you have just one chance. If you rejected that one, you won't be able to sit for the placements. But for that, to whether you want to take that option or not, you will get the around 24 hours to 48 hours for the acceptance letter. So you have to approve that job.
Okay, okay, okay.
So like SBI Foundation, Bajaj Auto, and
So,
CIA.
Dhiren, can you tell me what is the average package for the students? Like, if you specifically if you are talking about the child and government welfare, so
So
in
last year, like recent data, they have not revealed, but I believe this time the average will increase. Last year it was around 6.6 lakh CTC. This time it may increase like around 7.5, because some of them, like few of them got selected for 40,000 per k per month per k, or some of them got selected for 60, some of them got selected for 80. Like the highest I know is 11 lakh around, I believe. So organization like NGOs, CSR, government CSRs, or also the like
SRLMs like
uh,
PSUs,
SRLMs. I personally got selected in Kudumsri NRO, which is under Ministry of Rural Development.
right, right, right.
So yeah, so like that provide the consultancy to the state livelihood missions,
Yeah, right,
uh,
right.
and and PSUs also comes.
Mm-hmm.
So well, it depends on the luck. What like next time what kind of companies are coming.
Oh,
So you have a whole lot of like consultancy, like Deloitte come from the central system, and like 1 or 2 people from social work got selected this time also. Like whole campus, they took 6 people.
Great.
So Deloitte also can. So it varies from consultancies to NGOs to CSR to various sectors that where people are working. Some of them choose for the research associates and all in
Right.
the different sectors. And what I missed, classes intake. So last year it was 23. This year it is around 30.
What classes or seat?
Class seat class intake. Yeah, seats.
Yeah. Okay.
This
So
time it's around 30.
30 seats. Do you have any
Yeah.
idea the how many seats are in the rural community rural development RD? Like
So
if someone is applying in HEQP 21 for that is, so they have applying for the only one course, like that is matlab RD, rural development. So how many seats are there, and what was the last cutoff? You told me that you have been selected for it also. So can
so
you tell?
for me, like, see, the cutoff vary from this time onwards,
Yes,
and nobody can give you the idea what will be the cutoff because this is the first CUET PG program
right,
that is going
right,
to be done. And
very true.
earlier in my case, it was around 43 marks, I believe.
I thought it was the TISNET, na? That time there was a
Ha,
TISNET.
ha, ha.
So
And
43 out
in
of
that,
43 out of 100.
out of 100, out of
So
100.
means to say we can say the do you belong to any reservation category or unreserved category?
No, I am from open category,
Okay,
and
open.
believe me, 40 to score 43 marks, a person who is coming from like directly from bachelor backgrounds and they don't have any sociology or something
Yeah,
like that,
right.
it will make you realize that it's not easy at all because the that 30 marks of general knowledge,
Yeah.
I can bet that
So
is somewhere around the
means to
UPSC
say
level.
right. Means to say we can say that if some you have scored almost 50%, like 43 marks you have got, and if I tell you if someone is scoring 150, around 150 out of 300, because this time the 300 marks the question paper was for the 300 marks. So if someone
No,
say
no, we cannot say. I
50%.
exactly will say no idea about it because the thing is that this time CUET aspirant have filled around 26 lakh forms, and for test
You
every.
late joined. You joined lately. I told the all the students, all the who are connected with me. There are the for the social work only. I am telling about the social work only. There are 8,600 and something students fill the form for the CUT PG MSW HUQP 21.
Hmm,
Okay, but the appeared only 5,660 students. They appeared.
hmm.
They appeared in the exam. So basis on this, there are 40 universities. I know most of the university seat will be vacant, because the none of the students will be not to get admission in those universities. They will get a backdrop. They will get gap year and all, but they will join most of the universities. But should be after all, now we have 40 universities and 5,660 students. They appeared in the exam, and most of them are not selected, and the seats number is very good, and most of them will not be get admission. They would be they might be go for another course also, like for law.
No, that I would like to interrupt in this. The thing is that previously, it's people in test say it's easy to crack the test net, but it's really hard to crack the interview process because the panel will decide whether you are going to be
Right.
in the campus
So
or
this time,
like people.
do we have it this time
There will
OPT
be.
also?
Yeah, there will be like there are maximum types. I'm not sure about it, but the departments are discussing that they might have a PI round. The marks will be little less as compared to other because previously it was like almost like 50% around.
Right.
Or okay, so this time the PI process will be in the test, and the
Okay.
second thing is that tests have increased the seats, so around there will be previously it was 240 for whole social work
Okay.
in TIS Mumbai only. TIS Mumbai only. I'm not talking about
So for
Tuljapur. Rural development is in Tuljapur. So
okay.
for this only, I think so around 250, 260 to 55 seats will be there.
Only
For
55
the
seats.
255 for 9 courses in TIS Mumbai
Right. Right.
for 9 different
For the
courses,
rural, for the
and that
RD.
too, RD, I need to check to the website. Everything is available in the website when you
Okay.
like just go through it. That
Oh,
will be the exact information because this is the very first time TIS is like going through the CUET
right.
PG
Right.
platform.
Right. So
So
Dhirendra, I
I
want
cannot
to
give you
ask.
the.
Right. Dhirendra, I want to know one thing that every students and every parents want to know, that is it a ragging free institute, or there is any bullying and all? You have you seen ever?
No, no. So this have like as this is very like aware campus, and even somebody tried, he cannot do that or she cannot do that, because every professor and every individual is approachable. Like I have never imagined like how a professor could be that approachable in a sense. Like we discuss our personal relationship things and also the mental status things with the
Right,
professors.
right, right, right. You are right.
You will realize, but
Uh,
compared to other campuses, it is very much aware and people understand, and ragging is like I have never seen and I never did, so
oh,
I can assure that.
correct.
Yeah.
Good. I
So
want to
like,
ask you the last question from you. What is the fees structure for the hostel and for the college fee?
okay, so this time they have increased the fees for the um, uh, semesters.
Hmm.
The whole course fee is around 1,49,000
Okay.
for 2 years.
For the 2 years.
First year they have to pay around 81,000, and for the second they have to pay around like 68,000.
Okay.
I think so. That also includes the hostel fees, I believe.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Just a minute, I'm just tuition fees.
Ah,
Okay,
you can
so
check. You can
uh,
check.
so it's a like a whole lot of like you can also go through the this uh,
Website.
website to get and
Yes.
more
Right.
idea
Right.
about
Right.
it.
To get the
So
exact figure, we
semester
can
fees,
visit the website.
because also the everybody cannot get the hostel. The people who are below 1,50,000 or below 1 lakh will get the hostels, or
Okay.
if there is any medical emergency or you have some issues, then only you can get, otherwise you have to stay outside, and believe me, outside is very expensive. Like
Maybe
it's not easy to
in
afford at all.
in Mumbai, that's it. That is, yes, it is obvious.
It's like
Uh,
12,000, 15,000, 20. It's bare minimum is 8,000 per month for the stay only. Electricity is excluded in that, and then you have to manage your food and traveling and everything,
right.
so it become expensive. But for the SC students, ST students, and the EWS students also, like this is open for the vulnerable people
Hmm.
instead of their categories. If people are having trouble to like they are not able to pay the fees and all, there are test financial aids, also some scholarship
Like
programs
kind of
within the
scholarship.
campus
Okay.
to, yeah, so fund your education. It could be like for every student, whether you are from general category, EWS, or anything at all, but there are some criteria.
Right. Right.
So there will be interview process, and you have to go through it. If they think that you deserve the scholarship, they'll offer you some scholarship, or there will be some like off in your fees.
Right. Right. Thank you so much, Dhiren, for this information. You have said very elaborately. Thank you so much for this such information. Thank you so much, Dhirendra. I will get back to you
Thank you so
personally on
much
a
for
WhatsApp
having.
if I get any query from the students. I will definitely I will make create a problem
Sure,
for
sure.
you. So
Thank
thank
you
you so
everyone for
thank,
hearing me.
thank you so much, Dhirendra.
Yeah,
So now we have a Mesram. She is
sure.
from a Kerala University of Karnataka. Mesram, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much for being connected for this time. So, Mr. I want to ask you the most fundamental questions to you, like how many days you have classes and what is your field work, and you have got the idea that what I am asking to the students, those who are from another
Yes, sir.
universities. So you can answer on the behalf of those questions, like how many seats you have, do you have a hostel facilities, do you have a placement cell, and what is the average package, do you have a ragging free institute, or is there any bullying and all? So you can share your experiences, sir.
Okay, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Marubai from Karnataka University. So actually, we are having the classes from 9:30 to 5:30. Like the total seats are in MSW 30, and then here for category wise the seats are uh, for SC and ST, like there will be 4 seats like that. And coming to like hostel facilities, there is a free hostel accommodation for everyone. And
Okay.
like that
So so how do you do your field works? So are you placed in
field
open
work,
community or you are placed in any organization?
like actually in the first year we don't have any field work, just they have to only 5 days, and we stayed only 5 days in the same village. in that in 5 days only. So we didn't go any other field work days.
Okay.
They didn't like conduct any field work.
Okay.
In the second semester, they're planning to do like we are having summer vacation, so they told you can go to your native place and you can do your field work. So for that they provided like 45 days like for our field work, so we have to go our native place and we have to do our field works.
Okay. Okay. So, do you have a placement cell for the placement for the student?
Here for MSW there is no placement, but overall the all other departments including there is I had like block placements.
Okay. No, that is the part of your part of your MSW. But I want to
Yes.
know, this is the part, no? Second something is there in writing. Okay, so now this is the part of your MSW program. But I want to know the for the job in the context of job. So do you have a placement cell for the students that after the completing their MSW they would be placed in a particular organization and they would get job and all? Do you have the such facilities in your campus?
Here, here no such kind of facilities are here.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay. So, do you have any? You have told me the fee structure. What is the fee structure? Did you tell?
Uh,
Can,
like we are having in the first semester, we have to pay 20,840 rupees,
okay.
and in second year we have to pay 18,100 rupees,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
including even an out semester. And for mess fee we have to pay like here we have to pay like category wise, if I am if I belong to ST, I
Hmm.
have to pay 8,000 like that.
Okay.
First for the first semester, if like in second semester like we already paid 11,780 rupees.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
So here the fee structure is like category wise, sir.
Okay. How it's varies. It varies category to category. Do you have a mandatory attendance?
Yes, sir. We have to like there is a mandatory 75 attendance,
75%.
75%.
Okay. 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 Got it. 75% is mandatory. Okay, okay. So anything about you, anything you want to tell us about your university? If someone wants to get admission in University of Karnataka, so what would you tell him or her?
Like here we are like we are having only the theoretical knowledge, sir. And what I observed here, there is no field work like what other students told they are having in a weekly 2 days of
Yes,
field
yes.
work.
In
But here,
University of Delhi also we have 2 days for field work fixed. We have to spend 6 hours a day for the field work. It is mandatory.
like but in here in our course, in first year we had only 5 days field work, sir.
Okay, okay.
Only 5 days.
Only
So
5 days.
we don't have any exposure like about field work here.
Okay, okay, okay.
So in this semester also they are telling you have to go to your native place. So that is not a professional, sir, right?
Hmm, right,
So uh,
right, right.
here not. Mm, that's it.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Your name is Merubai. Meshuram is your title.
Mari, sir. Meshram is my surname.
Ah, yes, your title, sir. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Marubai.
My name is Maru.
Marubai.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Yes, sir.
Oh, thank you so much, Marubai, for the connecting
Thank
with
you,
us.
sir.
Thank you so much for the information. So now we have a
Thank you.
Qasim. He is a student of University of Delhi, and first of all, I would like to congratulate him. He has been selected in, in United Kingdom for the United Kingdom, and he is a very brilliant student, and he is also running his organization since I think since 2015,
2018.
2018. He's running his organization since 2018, and he is a very brilliant student, and I'm also connected with him since the last 1.1.5 year. Am I right, Kasim?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I want to ask you about University of Delhi. So how's your classes are going on, and what's the field work and cutoff seats? Like you have heard, you may have heard the old questions I have asked the old students who has been connected with me for today's session from the different universities. So you can tell us about the University of Delhi. If someone wants to get admission in University of Delhi, what would be the perks and privileges and adventures and learnings they would have?
Okay, first of all, good evening to everyone, and very heartfelt congratulations to you, Nadeem Bhai, to create such a beautiful platform where we can interact and share our ideas, share about our university. Thank you, everyone. So basically, Delhi School of Social Work, which we called, it was established in 1946, and it's one of the after Dhirubhai Ambani Institute. It was the second, one of the most prominent institution of social work.
Right,
And right now, like we have 4 day classes and 2 days field work. We have only Sunday off. So we our class started from 9:30 to 3:30, and every Friday we have a supportive fieldwork interaction, that is SFI, where where the speakers come from the different backgrounds, came to the university and try to build some professional skills or soft skills to the students, and give some ideas about the different sectors, professional or development sectors. Any other question?
right. Like, how many seats are there? Seats, how many seats are there?
Yeah. Right now, in because when I got admission in 2022,
Yeah,
so at that time, didn't come under the CUT program. At that time, DU solely organized, that is DUET entrance program. So at that time there were 100 seats, and last year there were 98 seats for this program.
like, do we have facilities for hostel? And what is the charges? Do you have
Yes,
any idea?
we have two different wings for men and women, but we have limited seats.
Right,
DSSW only provide hostels to the 12 boys and the 12 girls.
right.
Yeah.
So do you have any workshop for it? Like you have told me about the SFI, supportive fieldwork
Yeah.
instructions. And now we have any workshop for the like if you they want to tell you about the how to do the Excel and other power soft skills. Like,
Yeah.
is there any
Uh,
facilities for the workshop?
Currently placement is going on, like everyone, the whole placement team is busy for calling the companies and inviting them in universities. So at this time, there are many skills required to the students, like soft skills, how to make a creative CV, attractive CV, and attractive resume, or also how to behave in interview room. At that environment, everyone get feel some suffocations.
Right,
So how to encounter with that situation. So last month, there were 3 to 4 SFIs were conducted on this: how to make resume, how to crack interview, how to behave yourself in the interview room. So this time we are trained with these things.
right. That's good. So now this year, do you have a rural camp? We missed last time
uh,
due to
yes,
Corona and all
we have
other things.
the DSSW will organize a rural camp in the first week of May.
Oh, right. It's
Yeah,
very nice.
due to some financial constraints, unfortunately, it was not happened last year, but this year they will provide an opportunity.
It sounds interesting because we missed it.
Yeah, yeah.
So, Kasim, I want to know you are running a NGO, an organization, and you are helping lots of people, in especially in Ramzan and other days, and you helped many people in abroad also. So, I want to know the what was your learning in the classroom, and how do you implement this learning in the field?
Basically, before starting MSW, what I did in last 3 years, I did only social service. So we have to clear this thing, that what's the difference between service and
Social work.
social work.
Right. Right.
So, like before starting this program, before joining this program, I worked only on the need based approach. Like
Hmm.
if someone is required something, so I provide that. But right now my mentality is totally changed. Now I designed all the projects which can be sustainable,
Hmm.
which will help a person in a long time.
Right.
So that's the main thing what
I
I have
think
learned
yes,
after
Kasim.
joining this.
It's a philosophy of social work that help to people to help themselves.
Yeah.
Uh,
It's a basic structure of social work, that
right.
like working with people, not for people.
Yeah. It. Right. Right.
Yeah.
So I want to know that fee structure of the institute, like fee
Uh,
structure.
the fee structure of DSW, like when I got admission 2022, the first year of fee could be like something 16,000, and
Right.
this year the fee for a year is approximately 17,000,
Right. Right.
and the hostel fee is approximately 32,000. Out of 32,000, they hold 18,000 as security charges, and
Hmm.
every year students has to pay 4,000 for food.
Right. Right. So is it a ragging free campus or not?
Yes, we have a committee. Like there are 2 3 professors in ragging committee.
Hmm.
But last year one small incident was happened, and strictly action taken by the professors.
Right. Right. You are right. So tell me about the placements. How's the placements are going on, and what is the average package for the student in the SSW?
Yeah. DSSW has a good record of placements. Like
Right.
till last year,
Very.
100% placement record. This year there are some constraint due to the general elections, because the CSR CSR companies and the PSUs,
SRLMs, and government institutions
yeah,
are not visiting
SRL,
the campus.
they all are busy in general elections, and
Right.
companies also have some financial constraints
Right.
because of that. So, but I think 32 students in this batch got placed this year,
Wow. Hmm.
and almost 40 students are left, 42 45 students who want placements. And this week 3 to 4 companies will also come. So
Hmm.
placement cell is trying their best.
Hmm.
Like every day we are calling 20 to 25 companies
Hmm.
and send them brochure, and the average package would be like 5.5 to 6 lakh, you already mentioned in
Right.
earlier.
Right. Right.
Yeah.
Right.
But this year, yeah, you already told that international company that is fostering families, that comes
Right.
under the Ministry of Education of UK, came,
Hmm.
and unfortunately I got selected for that. They provided a good
Yes.
financial like package.
Right. 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 So everyone wants to know about your how do you get selected, and what would be your job profile, and what is your average package, and if you want to disclose, so you can. Dhirendra,
Yes, I can.
even Dhirendra congratulates you in a comment box. Have you
Yeah,
seen or
thank
not? I
you,
don't know.
Dhirendra.
Uh,
Thank you, Dhirendra. Basically, UK is a land of migrants.
right.
So people around the world came
Like
there,
we have
tried
a
to.
movie like Donkey. We have seen the movie recently, Donkey.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay.
So there were a lot of problems with the children. Like they are not able to get education. They are not able to get successful socialization process. So my job role is supervising social worker.
Very.
There is a system of fostering in the UK.
Hmm.
If anybody wants to adopt any children, temporarily adopt, for providing education, for providing a child a good life,
Like.
so there is a process to apply for that. That is a foster care process.
Hmm.
One, there is one form that is form F. So uh, every social worker initiate that process, intervene in that process, also to check the family background.
There is a SIR, social investigation report. Whenever we are giving a
Yeah,
child to the parent, any parent, because I know
yeah,
about it because I work in women and child development in the ashram. I as an intern, I worked there for the 45 days. So I know about the SIR, Social Investigation Report.
Yeah.
Whenever the crime commits by
In
the
India,
children for the
in India we call social investigation report, but in UK we call foster care report.
okay, okay, okay,
Yeah. So, uh, as a supervising social worker, I have to check the family background, their past relationships, is they are suitable to adopt children, is they
right,
match their, is the culture match the the children's culture. So I have to make a comprehensive report of that and present in front of the local court.
right.
There is a one panel who decide that
Family court, yes, of course,
we give custody to them
of
or not.
course, of course.
Yeah. So the package of mine is approximately 32k euro. So 3 lakh
3 lakh per
in I
month.
yeah per month, 3 lakh per month.
It's a handsome amount you will get.
Yeah, because the inflation rate also
Yes,
high in UK.
I know.
Yeah,
We know that it's the inflation rate is high there. So it's a handsome amount for it.
but as a fresher,
Yeah,
it's a good package.
it's a very good start. It's a very good start for you. And I want to know that you have told me about the seeds, field work, your classes, and your placement also. And you are going for rural camp. I'm getting jealous
Yeah.
because I didn't because I could not make it possible because of some issues, our department. And we have a, if you want to tell the about students who want to get admission in DSSW, so do you want to tell them about the library, about the library and co-curricular activities going on in happens in DSSW?
Basically, DSSW is not just a small institution. We come under the Delhi University. The Delhi University provided lots of platforms to the students.
Right,
It can be debating clubs, sports, and so many activities. We have so many options to join that. Also, DSSW have debating club. We have Ambedkar club
like
to showcase our talent. Also, we have a good library
right,
where we can spend our time. So I think I believe that Delhi School of Social Work has a very good environment to
right.
pursue your studies.
Very true, very true. I
Yeah,
experienced also. It's a very,
yeah,
it's a very
you
true.
are basically you are our ideal. We saw your videos, then trying to apply in Delhi University, and
Thank
you
you so
guide
much.
me at that time
Yes,
how
thank
to
you
crack.
so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so
Yeah.
much for the acknowledgement. So anything, another you want to tell about University of Delhi that that's not asked to you, and you want to tell that the university is this and university is that and the other thing. Do you want to tell us about anything which I
Uh,
have not asked to you? Do you
you're
want to?
not clearly.
I'm repeating. I'm repeating.
Yes, yes.
Do you want to tell us anything about the University of Delhi which I have not asked to you? Especially that you want to tell about that. You want to tell that I want to tell you about this and that. Anything.
Basically, Delhi University, located in a center of Delhi. So, as a student, we have a lot of platforms rather than Delhi University to showcase our talent. Like we have benefit to stay and studied in capital of India.
Right.
So, I think that's a privilege we have.
Right. Very good.
Yeah.
And okay, Kasim. It was a very nice and it's a wonderful session for us. So
Thank you
I
so much.
want to conclude. Please give me a second.
Thank you, everyone.
So now you can see. Yes. So thank you so much for the connected with us, and you have shared very informative information about the University of Lucknow, University of Karnataka, University of Pondicherry, and at least Mumbai and University of Delhi. And you have told me University of Pondicherry also, and you have shared many things with us. Do you want to say? Oh, sorry, Rohit. Oh, Rohit. I'm so sorry for this. So sorry, Rohit. Yes, we have a Rohit also. Rohit is from Manipur University. So Rohit can also share his experience.
Good evening, sir, and
Very good evening,
good
Rohit.
evening
Very
all. Uh, Sir, as I am a student of Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Manipur, which is the regional center of Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh.
right. Madhya Pradesh
And
or
sir,
Manipur?
sir, the main campus is at Amarkantak, Madhya
Okay.
Pradesh, but its regional campus is situated in Manipur.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Yes.
so,
Yes,
sir, I
please.
am the
Yes. Yes. So
yes,
Rohit, you have
uh,
told me about the classes that now you have a classes in online mode. So can you tell me how do
yes,
you manage your classes and field work and all?
yes, sir. The classes are totally in online mode. The respective faculties share their link as you are conducting the meeting on
Right.
Google Meet.
Right.
They
Right.
also they also provide the link of the Google Meet, and they take their cl-
Right. So,
classes,
right.
and they inform before 1 day or 2 to 3 hours before taking their classes.
Hmm. Right.
And
So, Rohit,
about the field,
yes, about the
yes, sir.
field work, about the field work.
Uh, yes, sir. About the fieldwork, the thing is that uh, they provide you some c- guidance by taking the classes, and shared the prospectus
हम्म।
to
ठीक ठीक
write their
हाँ हाँ, ये अच्छा है वहाँ के
to
फील्ड
write their
वर्क।
report. Yes, yes,
प्रोस्पेक्टस
yes,
प्रोवाइड कराते हैं आपको और
yes, sir.
साथ ही
Yes, sir.
आपके आपकी क्लासेस ऑनलाइन चलती हैं।
जी
और
सर।
जैसे आपने
yes
मुझे
sir।
बताया भी था। और
जी जी।
लास्ट में मैं आपसे अगर ये और पूछूं लाइक मोस्टली स्टूडेंट अगर दे वांट टू गेट एडमिशन इन यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ अमरकंटक और मणिपुर, so how much score they must have secured for the admission? कितना
Sir,
स्कोर
I
उनको होना चाहिए?
yes sir, because I don't have any.
लाइक लास्ट ईयर में आपका जैसे एडमिशन हुआ था तो उसमें कितना कट ऑफ गया था? अगर एडमिशन कोई लेना चाहे तो कितना कट ऑफ होना चाहिए तो एडमिशन मिल जाए?
Sir, I think there was open round
हम्म।
to take the admission, but there was no any criteria to take part in CUT PG.
ओके ओके ओके
So you can take admission without CUT PG
ओके
by open round counseling.
ओके ओके। So now you
But
can see
you
on
have
the screen like you have a HQP paper code 21 IGNTU Regional
yes,
Center Manipur and
yes sir.
IGNTU Amarkantak. You can see on the
जी
screen,
जी।
है ना?
Yes sir।
So So, can you tell me about the what are the they are running this institute online due to some issues because the Manipur faced the very uh, huge conflict in this area. So, because of that, they
Yes
are
sir।
conducting online classes for it. And
Yes,
so, how many classes you have been attended? How many classes you have attended, and what are the your learnings? Can you tell us?
yes sir. The classes in a day you have to take 2 to 3 classes in a day, about half an hour to 45 minutes of classes,
Okay,
and there you should attend the classes up to 75% to
75% attendance is mandatory.
yes sir, to
Okay.
take the semester exam.
Okay, okay. So, Rohit, can you tell the students who want to get admission in Manipur? So, can you tell them that is there a placement facility available?
Uh, as far now, I know sir, there is no placement facility here,
Okay,
so
okay,
I
okay, okay,
can't say much about that.
okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much, Rohit. And do you think that do you haven't faced the physical things over there? Because I wanted to ask you about the ragging because your ragging is How can you tell us about the ragging, because you have not been the this university or this campus and ever? So I want to ask you one thing, that if you want to get I think being a student of social work, you must be spend some time in a community and an organization as a social work trainee in the field work. And how do you cover this field work part?
Yes, sir. When I visited the NGOs or i- institution, I visit there 5 to 6 days and take queries with the staff who work there and the be- beneficiaries,
Right.
and I took, took the information there and write it down in the report and just submit the
Okay.
respective respective faculty.
Okay. Okay. So I want to ask you one thing, that you are pursuing your masters from Manipur University. So is there what is the fees structure for it?
Yes, the best thing about the is university. I would say its fee structure, because it's very nominal. That is 2,500
Hmm.
25 rupees per semester.
Per semester.
Yes, sir. And for hostel, you have to pay 5,000
Okay. So
per semester. And
hostel facilities is there.
yes, sir.
Very good.
Hostel facility is there, and the caution money for hostel is 500 rupees, and uh, beside this they take semester fee, which is 200 for reserved
Hmm.
category
Hmm.
and 300 for UR and OBC.
Okay, okay. Acha, Rohit, can you tell me about the library? Matlab, how are you accessing the books of the library? Like they are providing you the online PDFs and or other things. Matlab, you cannot
Yes, sir.
reach the physically in this library because of this uncertain condition. So I want to know
Yes,
about
sir.
the how books are approaching to you. Matlab, you are approaching the books.
Yes, sir. It is very hard for me to learn or read without books,
Right.
because they provide PDFs,
PDF.
and their short notes
Right.
to take a reading and revise of it,
Hmm.
and they take some test for their internals,
So Rohit, is
or
there any timeline to get connected with the offline classes? So like they have mentioned that we will open our campuses, we will open our classes after 1 month, after 2 months. Is there any
yeah,
notification or notice is circulated by the university?
no, sir. There is no notification or information about the physical classes of the university, because the conflict is going on, and
Okay,
it's
okay.
not.
The
Yes,
general
sir.
election is very near to us. Even the 1 day
Yes,
is
sir. Yes, sir.
been completed.
So
Yes.
maybe I think it take 6 months
6 months.
to. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay.
Minimum 6 months to take
Okay,
the physical classes. Other- but I'm not sure about it. It
okay, Rohit.
may be.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Thank you so much, Rohit, for the connected with us. And I want to ask you one thing, that anything that I have not asked to you, so you want to tell us about the university or about the your MSW, being MSW student life.
Yes, sir. I want to tell about the seats of the university.
Yeah, right, right.
Uh, yeah, it has 15 seats for UR,
Okay,
4 seats for EWS,
okay,
6 seats for OBC,
okay.
1 seat for SC, and 12 seats for ST.
10 seats for
Total,
ST.
yes, sir.
It's around
Total
50,
38 seats. Yes,
38
sir.
seats. Okay, there are 38
Yes, sir.
seats.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And nothing I left, I think.
Hmm. Anything you want to tell us a part of it, a part of that?
No, sir. The one thing I would like to say
Yes,
in
please.
In the group, I shared a screenshot,
Okay.
which is the screenshot of last
Last year, last cut of
session.
the last session. Okay.
No, sir, no, sir. Which is the DSSW fee
Uh-huh. DSSW fee.
of la- of
He shared the fee structure of DSSW.
Sorry,
Basically,
Kasim, I haven't heard you. Please, can you repeat?
basically in WhatsApp group, he shared the fee structure of DSSW.
Okay, okay,
Last year fee structure of
okay,
DSSW,
okay,
that
okay,
is 18,000 something.
okay. Rohit told
yes,
me
sir.
that he scored very good for the GAT admission in DSSW. Even he has been selected for due to some issues. He is not able to get admission in DSSW. He is a
Yes, sir.
very good student.
I want to tell about the BHU, sir.
Yeah.
Banaras Hindu University.
Yes.
I got the name in first list for the PI round.
Right.
Uh, and I got the marks in COQP 11 is
Hmm.
207.
It's a good mark. It's a very good marks. Means you have secured more than 50%. It's a
Yes,
very good
sir.
marks.
So you can
Right. And anything wants to tell us? Anything do you want to tell us?
no, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Rohit, for the connected with us. And
Thank you, sir, for giving me this
welcome,
opportunity to
welcome,
share
welcome.
the
Always welcome, Rohit.
information for the
I
future
want to
MSW student.
thank you so much. Thank you so much, Rohit.
Yes,
I want to ask the all students that I have told you that there are 40 universities are participating in HEQP paper code 20 HEQP 21. That is the paper code for MSW. And I have discussed about few universities like Karnataka, Pondicherry, Delhi University, Manipur, Amarkantaka, and the Lucknow. Lucknow University is also conducting its separate uh, examination for the admission. If anyone knows about any student who is pursuing or who has been done his master or master's degree from that particular universities, so you can share me those numbers so I can connect with them so we can understand about those universities which has been left today also. Okay, so you can tell me, as Kasim said to me, that there are many students that they are pursuing their master's degree from University of South Bihar, but today they are not able to connect with us because they are on the rural camp on all rural camp. So due to this they are not able to join this session, but maybe they can join in the future. But you can tell me Tushar and Rohit and Qasim and other students who are connected with me, and even those who are watching this video on YouTube. I want to ask you that please you can share me those of those contacts who are pursuing this master's degree from those universities who has been the universities list I have been shared with you. So you can see, you can watch it. He or she may be your Facebook friend, Instagram friend, and any friend and any connection with him with you. You can share me on you can share me those contact, and you can write the university name also, and you can share me on academia sweat academia sweat @gmail.com. Okay, you can share me the all details on this mail. Even I will share this mail ID in comment box also. So thank you so much for the connected with us. So I am very happy to share platform with you, and you are guys very amazing. You have shared very wonderful information. I wish all students will be get benefited after watching this video. They would make a better decision to get admission if you are not if you are they are not clearing the this or DSSW and another university, so they can go for the another one. So they have chance because of the lack of information. They might have a gap year, they might have another issues, and they might have a low confidence that I am not able to clear this exam anymore. So they have even chance they can say that I have secured my seat in this university. So they can also they have some intuition. They may have some feeling guts that they would clear this exam in very good marks in next year, or maybe they get admission in that particular university. I want to tell you about the Pratik Roy Chaudhary. He has been selected in the last year for BHU, but he was not satisfied for this university. He wanted to get admission in DSSW only. So what he did, he did gap year. So he prepared for that, and now this year he is the topper of CUET PG MSW. He's connected with me since 1 year, and he shared me his number, and he was very excited, and he was very happy with my guidance and with my sources that I have shared with him and all the things. So I would also connect with him also. He might be maybe in the next week, but. For the time being, for the us or the other students who are watching this video, please do like, share, and comment. And congratulates to all of those who has been selected. जो selected हो चुके हैं, those who have been got scored very well. And you can also write your score. For the I'm telling of the audience who is watching on the YouTube, you can share your audience. You can share your score, and you can share your university also. That university you want to get admission. Okay, so we can get an idea that how many students are there. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. Now I am concluding this session. So very thank you so much. Very thank you.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
very
Thank you, sir.